नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर अजय जाटोलिया, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. Today we will discuss about usage of epidemiology. First use है to study the rise and fall of disease in population. For example, epidemics of coronary heart disease, cancer, diabetes, AIDS, etc. It can help to make useful projections into the future. Community diagnosis, identification and qualification of health problems in community in terms of mortality, morbidity, disability and ratios of to find health care needs. Evaluation of individuals' risk and chances, relative risk and attributable risk, help to quantify degree of risk. Example, smokers and non-smokers for selected cause of death. Relative risk is the ratio of the incidence of disease or death among exposed and the incidence among non-exposed. Relative risk of lung cancer 10/1 equal to 10. In France, smokers are 10 times at greater risk of developing lung cancer than non-smokers. Attributable risk is the difference in incidence rates of disease or death between an exposed group and non-exposed group divided by the incidence rate among exposed. In above example, 10 minus 1/10 into 100 equal to 90%. 90% of the lung carcinoma among smokers was due to smoking. Relative risk or risk, attributable risk indicates the strength of relative risk में association. The larger the relative risk, the stronger is the association between cause and effect. Attributable risk by it gives a better ideas than relative risk of the impact of successful preventive public health program in reducing the problem. Syndrome identification. Medical syndrome have been identified by observing frequently associated findings in individual patient. For example, AIDS. Completing of natural history of disease. Disease pattern in community is studied and its relationship to agent, host and environment fills the gap in natural history of disease. Searching for causes and risk factors. Causes of diseases are identified through epidemiology, through case control and cohort studies. For example, rubella congenital defect in newborn. Planning and education. Planning is essential for rational association of limited resources. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.